Hey everyone, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I'm at Wyong Station on the Central Coast and Newcastle Interchange line. About to depart platform number 3, correction, is a Newcastle Interchange service. Unsure of what the leading set was. DJM 8100 was one of the car numbers, but the rear 4 cars V5. So that V set I just got off was actually meant to be a 4-car service, but upon arrival at Strathfield Station, I was originally on V18, which is by itself, and it was supposed to be the one going to Newcastle Interchange. It had a mechanical problem, so everybody had to get off at Strathfield Station, move over to platform number 1, where we got on the V set you guys just saw, depart platform number 3. There should be an Oscar, not too far behind, I don't think, as that V set is running about 20 minutes late. But in this video I'm hoping to get the Sydney Explorer from Armidale and Moree, and also an XPT or 2. Newcastle Interchange service arriving into platform number 3. There's a bit of a breeze, guys, so sorry if the wind noise gets in the way of the audio. There's not too much I can do about it at the moment. Set number H7.
The train on platform 3 goes to Newcastle Interchange. First stop, Warnervale.
Approaching platform number 2, we have a Sydney Central service. After Wyong, this train will stop all stations to Gosford, all stations to Berowra, then Hornsby, Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield and Sydney Central. The leading set, H18. Trailing set, H23. It's interesting, they still have the 6-car marker for the V-sets. Another Newcastle Interchange service arriving into platform number 3. It's a V-set. About, say, I don't know, 20 or 25 minutes behind this VSET will be the Grafton XPT. While waiting for this train to depart, I'll just let you guys know that Sydney Trains Vlogs is on Facebook, so just simply search Sydney Trains Vlogs on Facebook and like the page if you like. I'll do my best to post frequent updates on there, like when videos are uploaded or any other event like meet and greets and stuff like that. The trailing set's V45. We have the Grafton XPT approaching platform number 3, while we have a VSET approaching platform number 2. V46 is the VSET. Approaching platform 2, we have a Sydney Central train. Not too long after this arrives, we'll have the late running Newcastle Interchange train. It's only about 3 minutes late, no biggie. H46. That train will be stopping all stations to Barara, then Hornsby, Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield and Sydney Central. The next train on platform 3, as I said before, is a Newcastle Interchange service. That train will stop all stations to Broadmeadow, then Hamilton and Newcastle Interchange. It should be 8 cars. H11's leading the Newcastle service.
Newcastle CBD on the 110 shuttle bus. Down Interchange at Newcastle Interchange for this.
Newcastle Interchange.
H3 trailing. H3 was the first Oscar to enter service, I believe.
The next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Newcastle Interchange. First stop Morisset, then Fassifern, Cardiff, Broadmeadow, Hamilton and Newcastle Interchange.
Newcastle Interchange service coming into platform 3 with V9 leading. V41 trailing. The Sydney Explorer from Armidale and Moree shouldn't be too far away, and that will come into platform number 2. I noticed that a lot more stations recently have been losing the blue and white signs and getting the new orange ones, so I just thought I'd randomly film this.
Newcastle Interchange. First stop Warner Bay. All stations.
Okay, so I got my times mixed up. The train that does not pick up, which will be arriving on platform 2 very shortly, is not the Explorer from Armidale and Moree. It is actually the Sydney XPT from Grafton. And that'll be arriving in about 3 or 4 minutes' time. Sydney Central service coming into platform number 2.
Then Gosford, Woy Woy, Asquith, Hornsby, Epping, Eastwood, Strathfield and Central.
So the leading set's V5. This was the train that was featured at the beginning of the video, where I didn't know the front forecaster was at the time. It's V47 trailing. Newcastle Interchange service arriving into platform 3. Set H35. Alrighty folks, I'm going to wrap this vlog up. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, favourite the video. Thank you all so much for watching, much appreciated. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.